Hello there, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sudhir Chand Jain, and I'm here to help you on your journey to secure that dream government job. With over 52 years of experience as an engineering and management professional, including 12 years in placement and placement-oriented training, I understand the ins and outs of the industry's requirements and the unique circumstances faced by job seekers like you. I believe in simplicity. In my job preparation videos, I'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand, straightforward language that anyone can follow. These videos are all about those simple yet essential tips that can act as oxygen for job seekers vital to your success. Let us prepare for government job. Government job vacancies are frequently advertised, and I know that everyone aspires to land one. For example, this is librarian job for PG or PhD holders. All PG degree holders and PhD job seekers will be interested to try their luck and get this job. I firmly believe that good luck is within reach for everyone. But you have to dig and work it out and use your luck. Come on. Let us understand how to dig and work out with good luck. Please understand that you have done post-graduation, PhD in some subject. You have the subject knowledge. Now you should learn to use your knowledge that will perform some task including bring you in merit list of competitive exams. These days all written work including answer books is done with the help of computer. You are not a computer engineer or teacher. But you should know how to use computer at a very fast speed. First step would be to learn the keyboard of computer and its shortcuts. Second step is practice using keyboard with all 10 fingers. You should reach a very high speed. But high speed can't be achieved without knowledge of word power. Word power is not limited to vocabulary. This starts from making spelling and understanding pronunciations of different words by listening. Third step is reading newspaper and writing on computer in Hindi and English both languages. Fourth, become proficient in using MS Word and MS Excel. These 4 steps will enable you to understand the question paper and attempt it properly and completely. Next advanced part will be shared in another video. Please remember you are very serious to get into merit list. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and let's embark on this learning journey together. All the best for your success.